What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. Well, you can now buy Bitcoin for cash at grocery stores. We're going to talk about this in detail in today's video, so let's dive into it.
Trade Genius.
Guys, real quick, example of some of the trades that we take on the crypto side. We closed this one out on QuantStamp, QSP, BTC for 17+%. Nice little trade there, and so we're focusing on these types of cryptos right now because we're seeing some decent moves. So if you're interested in joining us and getting these signals in addition to the stocks and binary options and main Bitcoin signals and stuff like that, head over to tradelikeagenius.com. We got some specials for the 3-day weekend going on. All right, so what we're talking about in today's video, guys, is cryptocurrency at the grocery store. So Coinstar has joined up with CoinMe and is allowing you to buy Bitcoin from their kiosks. Now, it's starting to roll out. It'll be select Coinstar kiosks in Safeway and Albertson stores in California, Texas, and Washington. But what's nice about it is you have more ability now for people to start buying Bitcoin. And this can be as a form of savings or what have you, or a form of investment diversification. But it's lowering that barrier of entry. If you want to buy Bitcoin now, unless you're dealing with local Bitcoins or something like that, where you're finding people that are selling Bitcoin at a premium for cash in person, this is a good way to do it. They are going to limit the transactions up to $2,500, but that should be more than enough for people that are looking to just start accumulating some Bitcoin. And that makes it really easy, because you're just going up to a kiosk, putting your money in, and then getting a code out that you'll go to CoinMe's site to redeem for your Bitcoin, and then you can send it to your wallet. So personally, I think this is pretty exciting stuff. I think that what this does is allows, again, more people access to accumulate Bitcoin. And what happens is, as we go through this accumulation process, the accumulation process front runs the next cycle up. And as we've talked about numerous times, the next cycle up is usually happening before and ahead of the halvening, which is in 2020, right? So I think all of this stuff here is very bullish. Price will react. Right now, the fundamentals, all of 2018, very bullish fundamentals. Things like this are going to lower the barrier of entry, and what you'll see is a delayed reaction in price as the bear cycle finishes up, consolidates, and then starts to make higher highs and higher lows. So anyway, guys, I just thought I would share that with you. Kind of a macro picture here. Part of the big piece of the next bull run is stuff like this, and pretty excited to see this. So anyway, guys, just thought I would share that with you. Coinstar is teaming up with CoinMe to make much more easy to buy Bitcoin for cash at grocery stores, which I think is probably the most convenient place to do so. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.